Good evening all. And today, the last one, that is the fourth session. Okay. And we will enjoy today more music than mathematics. And a few singers also join today. Let us start today's session, Math of Sarigama. I hope everyone remember what we have done the previous sessions. We have done ragas. Before that, I taught you a few things in permutation and combination. And we were discussing about Pythagoras, ancient Greek philosophers, and ancient Indian mathematicians. Now, yesterday we stopped with the Melakarta ragas. You can see here Sari, Gama, Padha, Ni, 7 swaras, and the last S also joined with this to complete one octave. This we have learned yesterday. Then using these swaras, how many Melakarta ragas we formed yesterday? You can tell the answer, unmute or write in the chat. How many Melakarta ragas? If anyone can unmute, and it will be yes, Angvi, 72. 72 correct answer. Correct answer. Okay. And these 72 ragas, what is the speciality of Melakarta ragas? Other than other ragas?
They have all the swaras.
Correct. All the swaras will be there. Strictly all 7 swaras in Arohana and Avarohana, with the last Shadjam also included. Okay. So these are 72 Melakarta ragas. But how many ragas are there all together? Anyone? How many ragas are there all together?
36.
Ragas, 72 Melakarta ragas are there. Then how it will go below that?
Yes, sorry.
72 Melakarta ragas with all the swaras. Okay. Now, if you remove some of the swaras, for example, you can remove Ga, you can remove D, but S will be there, P will be there. But some of the other swaras in between, Rishabham, Gandharam, you can remove, make it to 5 swaras or 4 swaras or 6 swaras, and you can create different ragas. That is known as Jenya ragas. The first one is Melakarta raga. Melakarta raga is parent ragas. We are using all swaras. Then remove few of the swaras from there. You can create new ragas. They are Jenya ragas. Jenya ragas means daughter ragas. From the parent ragas we are creating. So yesterday a few students, they sang some songs with the different ragas. Do you remember that? Tell me one of the song. The raga, name of the raga.
Karahara Priya.
Karahara Priya, correct. So Karahara Priya is a Melaka. Yes, Catherine, what you said?
No, I said the one name.
Okay.
Sangarabaranam.
Dhira Shangarabharanam, Karahara Priya. These all are the songs yesterday they sang. So these are the parent ragas. Then from the Melakarta ragas, Dhira Shangarabharanam, they remove few of the swaras and they create new Jenya ragas. Okay. Now you can create some of the ragas here. Yesterday we did not do that, only one time I think Catherine tried. Catherine or anyone can write here. You can see here the first row, 7 places, empty places. 7 empty places, right? The first place you can write S, because that is for the Shadjam. The next one R, then Ga, G, Sari, Ga, Ma, M. M you can write here M1. You can write M1, S, M1. Okay. Here in the second place and third place, you can keep any of the Rishabham. For example, you can write R1. Write R1. No one is trying. R1, G1. Now, sa, ri, ga, ma, pa. So, P. P is a constant one. P is a constant one. Okay. After that, you can keep D. D, D1. Then the last one, which letters you can? Tell me. The last one.
N1.
Yes. Sangvi wrote, we can keep D1, N1, D2. Yes. So how many letters we can keep in the last place? Tell me. How many letters? After D1?
3.
3. 3 correct answer. 3 letters. So these 3 letters when you keep D1, N1, D1, N2, D1, N3. So these are the first 3 ragas. Then in the next row, the same way we can keep here D2. All the other swaras will be same. All the other swaras will be same. And you can keep here D2. And with the D2, how many letters you can keep after D2?
2.
2.
2. Which are the 2?
N2 and
N1. N3. N2 and N3.
N2 and N3, correct. So how many ragas we got?
2.
2 more ragas. So the first one, 3 ragas. Then the next 2 also we got. Now in the last part, which letter I will write here?
D3.
3, D3. After D3, which letter? Which one?
N3.
N3.
N3. N3, correct answer. So total how many ragas we created now?
3.
3. First one we
6.
created 3. In the second row we created 2. In the last row we created D3 and 3. Okay, so total
6.
6. These 6 are the first 6 ragas. These 6 Mela Karta ragas are the first 6 Mela Karta ragas among the 72 Mela Karta ragas. Okay, you can see here that 6 ragas, the first all 5 letters are same. Only 6 and 7, there are some differences. Okay, D1 with 3, D2 with 2, and D3 with 1. So 6. First 6 Mela Karta ragas creates in one chakram. These 72 ragas divided into different chakrams. Chakram means wheel. Okay, these 6 are in the first chakra or in the first wheel. Because why they are in the first wheel? Anyone knows the reason?
Because these 6 ragas are the first ragas.
First ragas, they created by R1, G1. Okay, and with the Madhyamam, the first Madhyamam. So you can see all our R1, G1, they form the first 6 Mela Karta ragas. They are in the first chakra. Look at the first chakra, they have special names. Kanagangi, Ratnangi, Ganamurti, Vanaspadi, Manavadi, and Tanarupi. These are the 6 Mela Karta ragas in the first chakra. So one chakra consists of 6 Mela Karta ragas. So how many such chakrams will be there?
Ma'am, 6.
One chakra consists of 6 ragas. We have 72 Mela Karta ragas. 12, correct. So there are 12 chakras. Okay, and you can see here how will be the second chakra formed. Anyone?
R1, G2.
R1, G2, correct. So we will change only G1 change to G2. Then again the same other combinations you will get the next chakra. The next chakra again contains 6 Melakarta ragas. Then tell me how we will create the third one.
M2.
No, M2 we will start with the M1 only. There are 72. With the 72, 36 are with the M1. The next 36 are with the M2. That is the way yesterday we created. Okay. So R1 with the G1 is over. That is the first chakra. R1 with the G2 is over. That is the second chakra. Now you tell me what will be the third chakra.
G3.
R1 with the G3. Again, we will get a 6. The same combination of D1, N1, etc. So that is the third chakra. The first chakra's name is Indu chakra. The second chakra is Netra chakra. And the third chakra is Agni chakra. So now we created 3 chakras. So we will come, that is the first 18 Melakarta ragas. All are with the first Rishabham R1. Okay, so first 3 chakras over. Now Justin sir will play. What is the difference in the swaras? You can listen. Kanagangi, Ratnangi, Ganamurti, etc. The first 6 swaras Justin sir will play.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, children. Kanagangi, the first Melakarta raga. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Ratnangi. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The difference between Kanagangi and Ratnangi. Pa 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 dha ni one sa sa ni one dha pa. When we move to Ratnangi, pa dha one ni two sa sa ni two dha one pa ma ga re sa. We move to Ganamurti, the third one. Sa re one ga one ma one pa dha ni sa sa ni sa ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga ma pa dha one ni two ni three sa sa ni three dha one pa. The difference between Ratnangi and the Ganamurti. Pa dha one ni one sa ni two sa sa ni two dha one pa. Ganamurti. Pa dha one ni three sa sa ni three dha one pa. The fourth raga, Vanaspati, there will be a change in the dha. Sa re ga ma pa pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Pa dha tu ni tu sa ni tu dha tu pa ma ga re sa. Raga Manavadi. sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni tri dhatu pa dhatu ni tri sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The sixth one, Thanarubi, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Clear, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Thank you, Justin.
Thank you.
So the next, now we created 18 Melakarta ragas with the help of the first Rishabham. Now you can create any number of such different Melakarta ragas. Can you tell me what will be the next set of ragas in the fourth chakra? Now the fourth chakra, how it will start? Anyone?
R2.
R2, correct. R2 is the correct answer. After R2, what will be the next one? Ga.
G2. G2.
G2, correct. R2 with G2 is possible. Then after that G2, we will get a 6. Again 6. That is the fourth chakra. It is known as Veda chakra. Then after R2, what will be the next chakra?
G3.
R2 you can create with the G2. R2 you can create with the G3 also. So 2 chakras over. Okay. Then after that, what will be the next one? The 6th chakra.
R3, G3.
R3 with the G3. How many such ragas? 6 ragas. So these all 36 ragas in 6 chakra, different chakras we formed. In everywhere the madhyamam was M1. The madhyamam was N1. Okay. Now you can see here, I don't know how much it is. This is the first 2 chakras, Indu chakra and Netra chakra. Now this is 72 chakras. First we created 36. The next 36, the same swaras except M1 will be same. M1 will be changed to M2. Like that you can make 36, so the total is 72. I hope everyone understood how the 72 Melakarta ragas we formed. Yes? Catherine? Vedashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Okay.
Yes, understood.
Now, okay. Now we have our Prithvi. Prithvi, class 12 student in the ISM, Indian School Muscat. She will sing a song that is not from the Melakarta raga. These all are 72 Melakarta ragas. Now we are removing some of the swaras and we can create Jenya ragas. Okay. Prithvi.
I will be singing a song called Idarinum. It is a Devaram by Tirugnyana Sambandar and it is in the raga Kedaragaula, which is a Janyam of 28th Mela Hari Kamboji raga. Sari ma pa ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa sa ri ma pa ni sa sa ni da pa ma da pa ma ga ri sa. Idarinum talarinum yanaduranoy. Idarinum talarinum yanaduranoy. Todarinum mona toludanuven. Todarinum mona toludanuven. Idarinum talarinum yanaduranoy. Todarinum mona toludanuven. கடந்தனெல்லாமோதோட கலந்த நஞ்சை கடந்தனெல்லாமோதோட கலந்த நஞ்சை கடல் தனெல்லாமோதோட கலந்த நஞ்சை மிடரினில் அடக்கிய வேதியனே மிடரினில் அடக்கிய வேதியனே இதுவோ எம்மையாலுமாற ஈவதொன்றமக்கில்லையேன் இதுவோ எம்மையாலுமாற ஈவதொன்றமக்கில்லையேன் அதுவோ நதின்னருள் ஆவட துறை அரணே அதுவோ நதின்னருள் ஆவட துறை அரணே
Thank you, Prithvi. Catherine, did you like her song?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Did you understand which Melakarta she was singing?
No.
She said 28. You can look at the slide, which is 28 Melakarta.
Kamboji.
Yes. It is Kamboji or Harikamboji?
Harikamboji.
Yes, ma'am.
Why
Harikamboji,
it-
ma'am, excuse me. It is Harikamboji in it, the same thing we have in Western and Hindustani also.
Okay.
Yeah. Mix or Lydian in Western. In Hindustani, Kamas start.
Okay. Thank you, Justin. So now you can understand that for music it doesn't have any language. Okay. If it is Carnatic or Hindustani or English, music is music. To understand music, we don't need any language. So whichever the language you sing, the music lovers will like it. Okay. Now I'm going to, now here you have seen that 72 Melakarta ragas in different 12 chakras. Okay. What is that chakra? That chakra is, you can see here, Kattapayadi. This Kattapayadi system or Kattapayadi Sutra is the ancient encryption technology. Okay, ancient encryption technology in Sanskrit books and all, it is written. Okay, what is that encryption technology? This shows that they are changing the names to numbers. That is that encryption technology. So in ancient India, our mathematicians and grammarians, they were using this technology to change the names to numbers. So we can easily remember. So what here the music is doing, I will explain here. You can see here one chakra, one full circle. In that circle, different chakras they have written. The first 6 ragas are coming in the Indu chakra. And you can take the name of one raga, the first raga. Okay, what is the name of the first raga in Indu Chakra? Anyone?
Kanagangi.
Kanagangi. Okay. Now the rule is written here. This is the rule. Look at these letters so everyone can read Hindi alphabets, and that is written in English also. Why it is Kattapayadi? The first column you read Ka, Ta, Pa, Ya. Okay, that is why it is written Kattapayadi system. And these all letters stands for the number 1. Then Ka, then Ga, Gha, Nya, etc. You can see for every letter is associated to a number, that is from 0 to 9. Now, yes, you told the first Melakarta raga is Kanagangi. Kanagangi. So Ka, Na. Take the first 2 letters. From the first 2 letters, the second letter, you consider the second letter first and find the associated number with Na. Can you see Na?
Yes, ma'am.
What is Na? The number associated to Na?
5.
Na.
0.
0. Look at Na.
Yeah.
Na is 0. Okay. Then Ka. Kanagangi. So Na, Ka. Now check what is Ka. Ka is 1. Okay. That is why that number is 0, 1. Yesterday, that Maya ma'am sang Chakravagam. Chakravagam. This is a Melakarta raga. So consider Chakra, the first 2 letters. Cha, Ka. So first consider the second letter. Ka. What is the number associated to Ka? 1. Can you read from the slide? The number you can see, no, Catherine?
2.
Yes. Okay. Then Cha.
6.
It is 6. So what is the number of Chakravagam?
16.
It is 16. That is the mathematics. Understood? So the same way, look at the Karahara Priya. So that Ka is K-H-A-Ka, not K-A-Ka. It is K-H-A, Ka. What is that number, Karahara Priya?
22.
Ka, 2, that is Ra. Ra is 2, then Ka is again 2. So what is that number of Karahara Priya?
22.
22. Exactly 22. So look at this one. If you know the name of the raga, if anyone knows this name, Nathabhairavi, that Ta is, you can see here which Ta it is, the second one. Okay, Nathabhairavi. So immediately you can convert that into a number. Tell me what is that number, Nathabhairavi?
20.
Sorry?
20.
20. If it is 20, in which chakra it is? Can you tell me in which chakra it is?
Is it 4th?
It is in the 4th chakra. Correct answer. It is in the 4th chakra. In the 4th chakra, it is known as Veda chakra. The name of the chakra is Veda chakra. So now you know that first 3 chakras, how we formed it with R1. Okay. Then the 4th chakra, how did we form? Do you remember that?
R2.
R2 and G2. So 20 is coming after 18, 19, 20, the second one. So anyone can unmute and say the Swarasthanas of Nathabhairavi.
R2,
It is
G2.
R2, G2. Yes, then the last two, T1,
D1,
D1,
D2.
N2.
N2. Yes, correct
Yeah,
answer. Yes, Catherine, correct. D1, N2. So what is that Swarasthana? Together anyone can say what is the Swarasthana of Natha Bhairavi? Together.
Can I say?
Yes, you can.
R2,
Yes,
D2,
S.
M1,
Okay.
D2, sorry, D1 and 2.
Yes, D1 and 2. Excellent. Okay. Now the same way, Dheera Shankarabharana. Actually, you have heard about a Shankarabharana. Okay. But in the system, it is given Dheera Shankarabharana. Its number is 29. According to the Swarasthanas, it is coming as the 29th one. So when you say only Shankarabharanam, that letters Shanga will not match with the 29. So the name is Dheera Shankarabharanam. So when you take Dheera, Dheera, Ra is coming under 9 and Dha is coming under 2. Sorry, Dheera, Ra is coming under 2 and Dha is coming under 9. So the number is 29. So the number is 29. So Dheera Shankarabharanam is 29. So from the number, you can say so 29th one is coming in which chakra? Anyone?
Fifth.
Bana
Fifth
Chakra.
chakra. Yes, fifth chakra. Correct answer. In fifth chakra, which is the number? Which raga? Fourth or
Fifth
fifth
one.
or sixth? Which one?
Fifth one.
Fifth one, correct. Now, fifth chakra is, what is the difference? It is with Rishabham and with Gandharam we are using in the fifth one. Yes.
G.
R which one? R?
R2.
R2,
R2,
and
correct.
G3.
G3,
R2
correct.
and G3.
Yes, correct.
Then M1.
Yes.
Then D1.
It is D2, no? First D1 and 1, D1 and 2, D1 and 3 over, first 3. Then D2.
D2 and 2.
D2 and 2 is Kamboji. That she already sang.
3.
Yeah, D2 and 3. Yes. D2 and 3. Correct. So this is the way the Kattapayadi system is working in music. And next slide is another one. Okay, before that, we can hear one more song. Nikita.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikita, she is a class 10 student from Indian School, Muscat. And she is a music learner. Okay. Yes, Shweta, sorry, Nikita.
Yes, good evening, everybody. So today I will be singing a Swarajati with the Ragam Belahari, and it is derived from the 29th Melakartha Ragam, that is Dheera Shankarabharanam. So I will be starting with the Swaras and going on with the Sahityam. Ma'am, is it audible?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Sa ri ga pa dha sa ni dha pa da pa ma ga ri sa ri sa ni dha sa. Sa ri ga pa ma ga pa dha ri sa ni dha pa ma ga ri ga. Ra ra venu gopa bala rajita sadguna jayasila. सार साक्षा नेरमेमि मारुबारी कोर्वलेनुरा नंद गोपाला नीनेंदु भोजाला नीविंदुरारा सदमल मदितो मुदमल रगना केदुर्ग गुडियरा तारवेणु गोपाल राजित सद्गुण जयशीला పలుమారును గారవమున పిలిచిన పలకపు అలగకురా కరివరదా మరి మరినా అదరము గ్రో లవకనికరము గరారవేణు గోపాబాల రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీలా రానగధరరా మురహరరా భవహరరా వేరా ఈ మగువను ఈ లలనను ఈ సొగసిని చేకోరా కోరికలింబొంద నేదముని అందే చేరను నించందే మరవకురా కరిములచే మరి మరి నిను సరమణియదరారవేణు గోపాబాల రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీలా రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీలా రాజిత సద్గుణ జయశీలా. Thank you.
Nikita, very good.
It is the Ragam Bilahari, which is derived from the 29th Melakarta Ragam, that is Tirasinkara Bharanam.
Okay. That shows that this is a Janya Raga from Dhira Shankarabharana. Okay. Now, can anyone read that yellow color wordings from the top of the slide? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
Gobi Bhagya Madhuvarata Sarangiso Dadi Sandiga Kala Jivida Katava Gala Hala Rasandara.
Okay. It's just a slogan from the Sanskrit book. And what is the importance here? It's a worshipping. Okay. And what is the importance in this sentence? Take the first word gopi. Okay. First word gopi, go, that letter go is associated with the number 3. It is mapping each letter to one number. That is the system. Then gopi, P to 1. Next letter, Bhagya, Ba 4, Ya 1, Ma 5, okay, etc. There is a system. So in this system, instead of the letters, we wrote only the numbers. Then finally, you will end up with the number. Can you see the number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is that number? Anything is related to mathematics?
Pi value.
Yes. Pi value. What is pi? 3.14159, etc. Yes. So this number and this were these all things were written in our ancient Indian books. Okay. In Sanskrit, you can see the mathematicians. They were also grammarians, and they use Sanskrit as a literature. At the same time, they were using for mathematics also. Okay, so from the Kattapayadi system, we have taken the same encryption to name the ragas. Okay, so the ragas, what I want to explain is almost over. Now, we have two more guests, Meenakshi. Meenakshi is a BSc mathematics student from Delhi University. She is studying the first year BSc in Delhi University. She knows much about this mathematics and music. Now she will sing. Meenakshi.
Hi. Thank you for the session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling me. So now I'll be singing a song named O Rangreez. Is it audible?
Yes, yes.
O rang रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में, ओ रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में, डूबना है बस तेरा बनके, हाय नहीं रहना दूजा बन के, एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी, एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी, खींच लेना प्राण इस तन के, हाय नहीं रहना दूजा बन के, अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सौंदे सौंदे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना, ओ, अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सौंदे सौंदे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना, थैंक यू।
Very good, very good. Meenakshi, you can tell something about the song, which raga or mix of many ragas?
It is a mix of many ragas. I'm not really trained in music, but learning Hindustani music. So, with my little knowledge, it is based on Khamaj Rag, as I got from Google, and I'm not really into that raga. I'm actually learning Bhageshri right now. So, it is based on Khamaj Rag. As Sir said in the beginning, it was based on a raga in, like it was similar to a raga in Carnatic music. I think it was what was that raga? Hari Kambhuji.
Yes, I am.
That raga. So, yeah, that it's really connected to that. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Very
And
good.
I will be requiring the recording of your previous classes since it was so informative, and so thank you.
And you are a maths student. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Meenakshi. Next, we have Anuhya with us. Anuhya is a class 11 student from Delhi. She is studying in Shiv Nadar School, Noida, Delhi.
Yeah. So, hello. Hello to everybody. Good evening. I'm Anya, and I'm going to be singing 2 songs for this evening. I'm going to be singing the first song, Mora Saiya, which is sung by Shafqat Amanat Ali, and it's in the Rag Khamaj. सावन बीतू जाए बिहरवा, सावन बीतू जाए बिहरवा, मन मेरा घबराए, मन मेरा घबराए, ऐसो गए परदेस पिया तुम, ऐसो गए परदेस पिया तुम, चैन हमें नहीं आए, चैन हमें नहीं आए, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूली ना, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूली ना, लाख जतन करिहा जो नहीं तो ऐसे पिया हम, तू जो नहीं तो ऐसे पिया हम, जैसे सूना आंगना, जैसे सूना आंगना, नैन तिहारी राह निहारे, नैन तिहारी राह निहारे, नैनन को तरसाओ ना, नैनन को तरसाओ ना, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूलना, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूलना, प्यार तुम्हें कितना करते हैं, प्यार तुम्हें कितना करते हैं, तुम ये समझ नहीं पाओगे, तुम ये समझ नहीं पाओगे, जब हम ना रहेंगे तो भी हरवा, जब हम ना रहेंगे तो भी हरवा, नैनन को तरसाओ ना, नैनन को तरसाओ ना, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूलना, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूलना, मैं लाख जतन कर हारी, लाख जतन कर हार रहे, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूलना, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूलना, मोरा सैया मुझसे भूलना. That was Moda Saiya.
Excellent, excellent.
Okay. So I'm going to be singing the second song, which is called Ye Hausla, and it's in the rag Yaman Kalyan. ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या, राह पे काटे बिखरे मगर, उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है, शाम निकाले सूरज मगर, रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है, रुत ये टल जाएगी, हिम्मत रंग लाएगी, सुबह फिर आएगी, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या, yeah, so that was Ye Hausla.
Nice song.
Very good, very good. You can read the comments in the chat, Anuya.
That was
Okay.
mind-blowingly awesome.
Yeah.
And this is end of the session, math of Sarigama.
So thank you everyone. It was more of a mehfil than a maths class. Okay, and all those guests who came and made this beautiful, Sima madam and other singers, all young singers, all students, not to leave our Justin sir, who is actually part of our team now. Okay, great job, teacher. I think this video will go into history, and see you all next session.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
everyone.
See you
Thank you,
again.
Sima.
Okay.